What is it, guys? Standard the sites. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Microsoft Loop for project management. So first, you need to head over to the Microsoft Loops website by just typing adoption.microsoft.com. And after that, on the right side, you will see the Try Now section or Try Now button. Click on that, and then in the new tab, the Microsoft Loop will open. So after opening the Microsoft Loop, on the left side, you will see this plus icon to create new. Click on that, and then first you need to create a new workspace. Now to create a new workspace, you just simply need to name your workspace by just giving it a title, and then you can select an icon if you want to, and then click on create. After clicking on create, here a new untitled file will be generated. So let's give it a name as test1. And from here, you can just simply start typing, or you can add an icon by just clicking on add icon, and then I'll add the smiley icon. And you can also add a cover image by just clicking on add cover. And let's say I want this image, or let's say I want this image. I'll click on it once, and then I'll click on add. And as you can see, the cover image has been added. And from here, I can just write my content. I can also select from this blank page the project brief, the team decision, the project planning, and the meeting notes, whatever I'd like to add in content to. I want to add the content to, I'll choose this. And after writing the contacts, here you can see this plus icon to create a new file. So you can just create a new page in the current workspace, or you can create a new link in the current workspace. And then on the left side, you have the search bar. When you click on this, you can search for the recent pages and the workspace that you have created. And here, when you just click on this notifications option, you can see all your notifications here in this particular workspace or in the files. When you click on this recent here, it will show you that what you have recently created, like a new workspace, a new file, it will show you everything. When you click on this ideas here, you will see all the ideas that you have created, but the ideas are created in a component form. So if you want to create a new component, click on this new component button, and then a new component will be created. It is same like the files one. And as you can see, I have given the title as component. I can add the icon here, and I can also add the cover image here, and I can just simply start typing. It's just like creating your new file. When you click on workspaces here, you can see all the workspaces that you have created. And in the recent section, you can also see all the workspaces that you have created. And then on the right side, you have the shared locations icon. Click on that. And then you can share your locations for the components, or you can add it to your new workspace. When you click on copy as a loop component, you can just copy this component as a loop, and then you can paste it on any other of your softwares, whichever you'd like. Here, as you can see, the custom link has been generated. Simply click on this copy, and then you can just paste this link anywhere you'd like. And after that, on the right side, you have the share button. When you click on it, you can share your workspace, you can share a particular page's link, or you can share a loop component if you want to. And when you click on this more options here, you can lock a particular page. You can rename or style this particular page. You can print and PDF this export. Like I have currently opened the component, so I can just print and export it as a PDF. And when you click on this version history, you can see all the version history of your workspace and your files and your components. When you click on this recap here, this is the recap section wherein you get the summaries of changes that you have made in your workspace. So if you want to create a new recap, click on create new recap, and then you can mention someone and enter your recap here. Like whatever recap you want to describe, you can just simply write it down here. And when you click on this three dots again, you have this delete option to delete your particular workspace or your particular file. So let's say if you want to delete your workspace, you just come back to the home page, click on the three dots, and then you have the option to delete the workspace. You have the option to rename and style your workspace. You have the option to open, and you have the option to look the members of your workspace. When you click on this members, you can invite the members via writing their emails. And after writing their emails, simply click on invite, and then an invitation link will be sent to them so that they can join to your workspace. So let's say I just simply want to delete this one workspace. I'll click on delete, and a confirmation pop-up appears. I'll click on delete button again, and then as you will see, the workspace will be deleted. As you can see, the workspace has gone and deleted. So this is how you can delete a workspace. And after coming to the home page at the right side, you have the settings and more options. When you click on it and click on settings, here you will open the Microsoft Loop settings, wherein you can change the theme to system theme, light or dark. I'll just change it to dark. When you click on dark, here the theme will be changed to dark. When you click on light, here as you can see, the theme has been changed to light. And you can also create new pages at the top or at the bottom, whatever you'd like, you can choose that. When you click on accessibility, you can automatically dismiss the boost messages after playing. When you click on languages, here you can click on proofing settings, and then you can just turn on and off like the spelling, the grammar, the clarity, the formality, the inclusiveness, the resumes, the tone, the vocabulary. You can just turn all these toggles on and off according to your vision requirements. And when you click on the settings again, here you have some more options like the editor. When you click on this editor, you can just turn on this text prediction. So if you are writing some content and then you by mistakenly write a wrong spelling, so this automatically predicts the text with the correct spelling and then gives you suggestions to correct it. And here are the proofing settings that I showed you earlier. You can just change it according to your vision requirement. When you click on the storage, here you can see the storage taken by your OneDrive, your Loop, and your Outlook attachments. And you can also get the tips to free up your space, and you get up to 5 GB of Microsoft storage. When you are done, simply click on done and the settings icon will be closed. And then on the right side, you have your account manager for Danny for your account. Just simply click on that, and from here you can just sign up with your Microsoft Loop account. When you click on this recent components and pages, you can see all the components and the pages that you have created recently. When you click on ideas, here you can see all the ideas that you have created. And when you click on the three dots, you can rename and style, or you can delete the ideas if you want. So this was a beginners friendly tutorial on how to use Microsoft Loop. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.